Alright, so this is going to show you how to do a magic wand effect. Yay! So after you get your video, you what am I doing here? You get a video of an effect and put it on top of the other video, and you go to keyframes if you can find it, and key everything out. And you got to center it to where you want it to go for the wand. Once you center it up, you got to crop it down to wherever you want it to be, towards the wand thingy.
What the heck?
After that, you crop it to the point where you want it to end. And you key everything out. This is a bad Attempt to not waste time like I did here. And then you get your second effect. You can add however many you want.
I'll slow down this music, see what you think. And learn voice first.
Oh, got you.
And then you crop down the second effect. Please enjoy the music my very good friends are doing. And you set a keyframe on every single frame and just set the fire to wherever you want it to go. After you do this about 10 billion times, you are done. Yay!